Hello and welcome to another Arista video tutorial. Today we are demonstrating how to reinstall and replace a PSU module. Here at the front of the 7020 TR48 switch, on the far right you will see that all of the LED indicators are green. This is an indicator that everything is functioning properly. Looking at the back of the switch, you see we have fan modules and power supplies, or PSUs. Now, the PSU is located at the end of each switch. To pull out the PSU, you simply squeeze the black button towards the red handle and pull outwards. To place the PSU back in, you simply line it up and push it inwards until you hear a click sound. The PSU is now back into its place. If you see here, I have two PSUs, one blue and one red. They look exactly the same except for the color of the handles. The difference is in the airflow. The red PSU indicates front to rear airflow. The blue PSU indicates rear to front airflow. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach us at support@arista.com. Thank you for watching.